This next one is going to be on page 42 and 43 in your science notebook. It's based off of that Oh Dear game that we played. First off, we already labeled our axis and we're going to end up graphing these scores. And so we need to give it a title. So this was about the game that we played. So let's go ahead and give it a title and we'll call it Oh Dear Results. And we're going to have to create some sort of key because we need to have each part be represented. So I'm going to write key, and for me, I'm going to have dots equal dear, and your data might be a little different depending on what hour you were in. So I'm only going to graph, and for you, if it's easier to cover up the resources, we're only going to be graphing the round and deer right now. So round 1, I was at 1 deer. Round 2, 2 deer. 4. Go ahead and graph the deer and the round. After you graph it, you're going to want to connect those lines because we're going to do something with the information next. And I'm going to use a different color. I would just use whatever you've got, but I'm going to give the next one triangles just because that's going to be our resource. And I'm going to fold this just to keep things a little bit simpler. But now we've got to mark triangles for our resources. So I had 20 on my first one. Then round 2 I had 19. So then I graphed them. Now we've got to see what kinds of